Hi, today I want to give you my short review and a close-up of this amazing sansi SGLED light bulb. I have another floodlight, kind of like a working light from Sansi, and this light was working amazing, so that's why I decided to give this one a try. This one is designed, this light bulb is specifically designed for closed use. For example, like for the bathroom, or you may want to use it in like a lantern on the outside of your house. It does amazing job. As a matter of fact, this is how bright it is. And it's actually, I put it on right here to do this review, and it is super bright. On the box, it shows you that it only takes 12 watts. It's 5000 K and gives you 1600 lumens. It's not dimmable, but it is amazingly bright. As you can see, it has nice plastic enclosure, so you can touch this one and you're not gonna get burned. It is kind of warm to the touch, but it's not hot. So just like my floodlight, I can touch it and it's perfectly cold. This light is so cool, even my cat likes it. But to give you a close-up, as you can see, it has nice ventilation, so whatever heat is emitted, it goes out, and it has, I don't know, it looks like several LEDs. Housing is comprised of thick plastic, and it has bunch of openings, so any heat that comes out of it easily evaporates. And I can even see that you can probably open that if you need to open it for any reason. It fits in a standard fixture, and I'm going to put it in my bathroom. I have a special enclosure that requires the light bulb that is just not gonna be removable for a long time, so this is gonna be perfect application for that. And so this light bulb has been working for maybe 15-20 minutes, and the only part that really gets warm is just this ring. Then when you touch it, it's kind of warm, but the whole housing, I can touch it with no problems, and also the outside housing is fairly cold to the touch. So here is perfect example of where I'm going to put it. I have this fan in my bathroom. This is gonna be covered, and now with the cover on, I don't have to worry about this light bulb for many years. And another one that I've replaced is this one, and perfect closed location where you don't have to worry about this light bulb for many years. This will give you nice bright light with a good power saving. So enjoy Science Light bulb. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.